When selling a property, breaking through the ceiling price in the local area is something that's extremely hard to do. However, it's not impossible. I know this because I've done it with every property that I've ever sold. So recently I've been working out what it is that I've done that's a bit different and gone against the grain. And one of the key takeaways for breaking through a ceiling price has been designing the property for the end buyer. Now, obviously, when you first get the keys and you're kind of renovating and designing a property, you don't know exactly who that end buyer is going to be. But what I will always do is I'll build up a profile on the sort of person that's going to be likely to be attracted to that kind of house. And I'll put loads and loads of detail into it. I will work out if they're single, if they're a couple, if they're retired, if they got kids, how many kids, how old are the kids, how old are the people, what sort of car do they drive, where do they live currently, what sort of hobbies do they have. You get the idea. You just more detail the better. And once you've built up that profile, you can start to get a bit of an idea how that person or people will think. Once you've got an idea of how they think, you know the kind of things they like. So for example, if you're buying light switches, you know the kind of light switches that that person's going to like. When you're looking at kitchen designs, you know what sort of style they're going to like. You know what sort of furniture they're going to like when you dress it. You get the idea. And what you do, you tailor that property for that family, person, whatever. What will happen is they'll walk in and they'll go, my good God, man, this house is perfect. Absolutely perfect. Because what you've done, you've delivered them loads of extra value. And by delivering them loads of extra value, they're willing to pay more money for it. And if they're willing to pay more money for it, then there's a good chance you can break the ceiling price in the area. Anyway, hope it's helpful. See you next week. Bye.